Get ready with me to go wine tasting in Napa. Beautiful skin foundation on the back of my hand, hourglass concealer to cover up any darkness and redness, picking up the warmed foundation and bouncing it into my skin. Ardell contour stick to chisel and lift the face, terracotta bronzer over top to help blend and add warmth. Tower 28 Happy Hour blush to the crease and cheeks, Merit brow gel, Gucci brow pencil, Ciate watermelon powder to set the under eye and center of my face, Milani Make It Last setting mist, NYX milk stick to the inner corner and brow bone, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk highlighter to the center of the lid, adding a bit of depth to the outer corner using a contour shade, focusing that on the outer third before blending it in towards the nose and underneath the lower lash line. Clean fluffy brush to blend, curling my lashes, Lancome Lash Idole, ABH Muted Mauve Lip Liner. How good is this liner? NARS Anita lipstick, voila. I love the simplicity of this look. I was having a terrible skin day, but you couldn't even tell. We went to Minor Winery, not the best wine, but that didn't stop me from drinking. My Napa vlog is now live on my YouTube channel. Click the link in my bio to check it out. Thanks for watching.